Hi everyone and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to create a cube with one vertex and a few modifiers. First we are going to create a plane as the base, as I already showed in another video, and then we only need one more modifier to turn this into a cube. Let's start by first adding a plane to the scene. We switch to edit mode and merge all its vertices at the center, so we have only one vertex left. Then we go to the modifier panel and add a first screw modifier to define the width of the plane. Set the axis to x, the angle to 0 and the steps to 2. With the screw value you can now define the width of the plane. Also deactivate the smooth shading checkbox. We add another screw modifier on top with the exact same settings, except for the axis, we set it to y. To turn the resulting shape into a single quad, we need to add the Decimate modifier and set the mode to planar. This will remove the extra vertices and edges created by the screw modifiers. Now we only need to add a Solidify modifier on top to turn this into a cube. Change the thickness value to change the height of the cube. You can play around with the settings of the modifiers to get different shapes. Tell me in the comments what you think and stay tuned for more. Bye!